Hi, I'm Kurt Losenord with Smalligan Real Estate at Keller Williams, and welcome to 13992 Meadow Oak. On the west side of Greenville, just 30 short minutes from Grand Rapids, this house has just been completed, and it is not an assembly line house. This is a personal builder that showed great attention to detail, pride of craftsmanship at every level. Everything from 2x6 walls to solid core doors, custom trim in the closets, quartz countertops. It's all ready for you on over 2.5 acres on the end of a private wooded cul-de-sac. Showings start Tuesday, June 13, or come see us at the open house on Saturday the 17th.